Let's get inside and see what is there. Pretty nice over here. Stone walls, pretty high over here, like 3 meters high. Put camera over here. Barely touch the ceiling. Pretty nice. It's a big space. They used to store the veggies, potatoes, warm during the winter and cool during the summer. Well, if there's a war, we've got a shelter. So we've got a light over here. Just need to put a bulb. That's pretty much it. Right, so let's check what is upstairs. Right, let's see what's in there. I guess it's a keyboard. Shoes. Nice looking hat. I'll keep that for retirement. I guess it's a printer. Not sure, is it silver or is it aluminium? Anyone knows how to check it? Is it silver or is it aluminium? I'll check it later. Frames. Tennis racket. Right, been there. Bag. Need to go through all that. More shoes, a lot of dust. No idea what is that. Don't know what is this used for. My best guess is that it used to hang a meat over here. Just a guess, I have no clue. Clipper grease. There's a phone screen. Some hooks for fishing. I'll try to show you. I have no clue. No idea what is that. Still how it's made. Wood. Here could be easily another 2 bedrooms over here. Maybe one day. That's TV screen. Try imagine how old it is and from what TV it is. Right, let's put it back in the box. Don't know what is it. Nice. Well, there's a bag over here. With this one here, they used to separate milk and sour cream. There'll be some nostalgic memories for my Lithuanian friends. Probably all remember that. So I've got a new operator. It's a quick training. Hold, see me? Yeah? What you'll need to do is follow me around, okay? Whoa, 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 whoa. Also watch where you're going, okay? Let's go. I need a bit more experience. Whoopsie. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go get some woods. Right. X. Whoa, whoa, whoa. looks simple.
Ne? Vienas ant sienos.
Look, they're alive. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4 butterflies. Mira, that's a new pet. I don't know how they survived. Hello, beautiful. Okay. Still Christmas. Well, look, how many Christmas trees is over there? How many? 1, 2, 3. Well, if there's a Christmas tree, that means it's Christmas. No? Why? Okay. Let's see what we got here. I'll need to go out anyway. Do you know what is it? It's Jesus' mother. And here is little Jesus. Probably Jesus' mother. Who is it?
Joseph.
Joseph?
Yeah.
Who is Joseph?
Jesus' daddy.
Okay, and what is it?
I don't know.
Well, look. You think so?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe God. Does it look like a God? He doesn't. Nah, he don't look like a God. Okay. Who is this?
Jesus!
Is it Jesus? Okay, I agree with you. They're not even colored.
Yeah, they're old. No.
You know, he was trying to say something over there.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let's get that fan out.
And
Yeah, it's my protein mattress. Right, let's see what is inside there. Whoa. Oh, there's a tie over there as well. Oh, there's suit for every day. Which suit you think will suit me?
none.
None?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they're old.
Doesn't matter. What about this one? You never seen me with the suits. How am I look like? Eh?
No.
No? Oh, I think I look alright. Yeah, just maybe different trousers and make my hair look nice. What is it? Stinks? Is it? No, just me.
Yep.
What? Am I stink? You're just kidding. Yep. Okay. Well, I like that one. Okay. Let's have a look where we're going to put everything. Follow me. There's a light here. Oh, yeah. Look. Let's go.
No.
Okay. You get your keys. Let's go. Why are you laughing? Is it? Is it cold? Do you want to zip your coat?
Okay.
Zip it. I don't know. Okay, just thinking how to open. No, it's not. Careful. Oh, let's see what's inside. Ooh, I found something nice. What did I find? This one's here.
What was that?
That was, I don't know how to call it.
What is it?
But it's like, yeah, it's broken, yeah.
This hand. Ooh. Okay.
I don't know. Should we try to rebuild it at some point?
But obviously,
Why not?
because someone has to hold the camera.
So I'm not saying now.
Yeah. I
I'm
know.
saying that in the future we could make it work. What do you reckon?
Yep. We might fix it and it will work. Or maybe we'll fix it, but it won't work.
We'll fix it and it'll work, but then we'll have to get a sheep. That's nice. I like it. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's put it somewhere there. Do you know what is this? That's a thing for a horse. Well, look at that chest over here. What do you reckon? Is there any gold in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let's check.
It's probably no.
Oh, there's another chest over there.
But
It's a little bit smaller. What do you reckon? We'll find some gold over there. Whoa. Okay, maybe it's underneath. Another layer and another layer. Oh well.
do you want to?
The same over there. Oh, found something. Hold on. Look what I found.
Go. Wait, is it brown?
I don't know.
One of them.
I think there's one silver. Yeah. and that.
Because I wrote buttons on.
It look like bronze, or maybe it's just aluminium. Should I put it in your pocket? Just put it in the pocket.
Okay.
And
Right.
keep it, safe it, yep. Right, what else is here? Could chop your hand over there. Why not?
Because I won't help you.
Okay, yeah, you're right. If I chop your hand, you can't help me to film. But you could film with one hand, aren't you? So, okay, let's chop it.
No.
Why?
No. No.
Okay. Okay. Do you need water boots? Okay. Right, bench. There's some pipelines. Useless. Okay. I'm already tired.
Are we not going outside anymore?
There you go later. Okay, that's the way to wash the dishes.
You're doing good.
Then it goes there, and then it just needs risen. Okay. Right. Bloody hell, so many dust.
Follow me.
Following me.
I'm holding the door.
Thank you. Up, 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 up. I'm just gonna put him there for now. Oh, there's a lot of walking up and down. Getting the stuff out. Oh, it's heavy. Amelia, can you close the door? Let's go. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Are you? I know.
You're gonna make it?
Yeah.
Okay. Again.
Gonna make it that it works. It will be more responsive to your movement. Yeah.
Oh.
Whoopsie. Did you like the picture? No?
Yeah.
I thought you said no. It's an art. Someone painted. Do you know any famous artist?
Wasilij Kadinski.
Who?
Wasilij Kadinski.
Who is Wasilij Kadinski?
A famous artist. He used to do abstract art.
Oh, what is this?
Not abstract art.
Oh, it's not abstract art. Okay. Thanks for letting me know.
I'm gonna make an abstract art of you.
How?
I'm gonna show you.
Okay. Do you ever heard about Mona Lisa?
Yep.
Yeah.
Um,
Do you know who painted?
Nope.
No?
But I saw someone do it in Minecraft.
Okay. Have you seen someone doing the Minecraft?
Yeah. It's harder because more texture. Because there's a lot of Minecraft blocks.
So you're saying that it's harder to paint Mona Lisa in Minecraft than in real life?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it gets a bit harder to get the colours that you need. Because to get millions of blocks that maybe you don't need.
Okay.
No, anything.
I'm thinking how to do it easier. I'm just gonna put that for now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use car. I'll put everything in the car and then drive it down there.
Nope.
What do you mean no? It will work.